Welcome to Open Enrollment for 2021. My name is Andrea Matthews, and I'll be leading you through this presentation. To say this has been a challenging year would be an understatement. We've all had various experiences related to the pandemic, global economy, and social unrest that have shaped us and will stay with us long after the pandemic has subsided. With that in mind, we've tried to create stability within our benefit package and the additional resources we offer to help support you in our unstable world. First, we want to hear from you. Tell us how you prefer to hear about your benefits and the value you place on your benefit package. Please complete the short benefits survey found at benefitsurvey.coursetech.com. This link is on the postcard that was mailed to your home and is also available when you log into Workday to confirm or change your enrollment. You can also access the benefit survey at coursetech.com/benefits. In our socially distanced world, we will not be holding in-person open enrollment meetings, but that does not mean we aren't here for you. Your benefit team has built resources on the website and will be hosting live virtual office hours where you and your family can call in to get answers to all your questions. And as always, you can reach us at benefits@coursetech.com or call us at 303-271-7000. This benefit guide should look familiar, and if you have not received your copy yet, please check your home mailbox. If you'd like a Spanish language version of the guide, please visit the website or ask your HR business partner to print one out for you. You and your family members can access the guide plus more information around all benefits from your home, the library, or on your mobile device. Here are the agenda items that we will touch on today. Knowing what benefits are for you, 2021 updates, health savings and flexible spending accounts, updates to the vision plan, review of our benefit design and our 2021 premiums, voluntary benefits and enhancements, well-being, available resources, and next steps. CourseTech recognizes that we have multiple generations working together. We've developed a few unique personas to help you better understand how your benefits package can meet you where you are in your life and career. Early career Katie is in her 20s, single, and generally healthy. This may be the first time she's had to select her own benefits. You can follow along with her as she steps through what benefit offerings can support her at this point in her career, from 401k investing to accident insurance. You can also meet Robert as he evaluates whether he's ready to retire. Follow along as Robert asks the right questions around his investments, Medicare, life insurance, and disability insurance, and how CourseTech can support him every step of the way. A new family member brings a lot of changes, and our benefits package can help you adapt to your new lifestyle. Follow new parents Paulina and Pablo as they consider the needs of their growing family. Our medical providers have maternity and new mother programs to provide additional support during and after your pregnancy. And don't forget that with any qualifying life event, like a birth, adoption, or marriage, you need to make your benefit changes in Workday within 30 days of the event. At that time, you can enroll your eligible dependents on your medical and other benefit plans, increase the amount you're saving in your health savings account, and new this year, contribute to a dependent care flexible spending account to help offset daycare costs. To learn all about the benefits available to you as a new parent or at any time in your career with CourseTech, please visit coursetech.com/benefits or reach out to one of the benefit team members. There are a few updates to share for 2021. First, let's talk about the open enrollment process. Open enrollment begins Monday, October 19th and ends at midnight Mountain Standard Time, November 6th. All of your currently enrolled benefits will roll over into 2021 unless you make changes. Our situations change year over year. To make sure you're addressing the 2021 version of yourself, please review your current benefits to make sure that they will meet the needs of you and your family going into next year. Use Workday to enroll at an on-site desktop computer, on your home computer, or on your phone, and you will be able to save and/or print your own confirmation statement. To get started, review and update your benefits for 2021. Click the Open Enrollment Benefits announcement or select your inbox task and select your options. And don't forget to submit. The enrollment process will look a little different this year. Please make sure you click through all tiles to make sure you're enrolled in the benefits you want. Additional training and job aids are available at Workday Help and posted at company kiosks. During the open enrollment period, you can edit your open enrollment elections until the open enrollment period ends on November 6th. We're excited to announce some updates this year. Medical, health savings accounts, and 401k are now available to part-time regular employees working 24 to under 30 hours per week. Based on engagement survey feedback, we increased the guaranteed issue amount for supplemental life insurance. This is the amount of life insurance you can purchase without having to answer medical questions. The IRS is letting you save more in your health savings account, in addition to the company contributions. And you asked, and we responded. We're bringing back the Dependent Care Flexible Spending Account. You can use the pre-tax funds in this account to help pay for child and elder care expenses. More information on this account is available later in the presentation. VSP has increased the frame and contact coverage amounts and have added Walmart as a new affiliated provider. And finally, medical and pharmacy trends and costs continue to increase, and you will see a slight increase to your medical premiums. There is a change to the legal insurance premium, but all other premiums remain the same, including dental and vision. And our voluntary benefit partners have added enhancements to a few of their offerings, which we will also review later in the presentation. CourseTech is increasing the amount of life insurance that employees can buy without answering any medical questions, called Evidence of Insurability, or EOI. We are offering current employees a one-time opportunity to increase their coverage to the new amounts of $200,000 for employees and $30,000 for spouses during this open enrollment. This is a $100,000 increase for employees and a $10,000 increase for spouses. Take advantage of this opportunity, especially if you have any medical conditions, and total limits remain subject to a maximum. This is a reminder about additional company-paid benefits that are available. You do not need to re-enroll or take any action to continue your basic life insurance, basic accidental death and dismemberment, your short and long-term disability, access to marketplace chaplains, or your 401k. You can update or change your 401k contributions and asset allocation at any time at 401k.com. Health savings and flexible spending accounts. CourseTech contributes $500 annually on a pro rata basis to employees enrolled in the Aetna and Kaiser consumer-driven health plans. If you've enrolled any family member and are in the employee plus children, spouse, or family, CourseTech contributes $1,000 annually on a pro rata basis to your HSA account. The IRS increased the allowable HSA contribution limits, so you can now contribute $50 more for employee only and $100 more for employee plus enrollment. And don't forget that the CourseTech contribution to your HSA counts toward the IRS maximum limit. Every employee who enrolls in the Aetna or Kaiser consumer-driven health plan has funds deposited in their health savings account from CourseTech every pay period. This is your bank account. It always stays with you, even if you leave CourseTech. Use it to pay for eligible medical expenses, or save it to invest or use in retirement. Remember to accept the terms and conditions on the Discovery Benefits site so you can use your money. Information and quick videos are available on CourseTech.com/benefits. You asked and we answered. The Dependent Care Flexible Spending Account is back. This benefit allows you to save pre-tax funds of up to $5,000 to help with child and elder care expenses. This account is also managed by Discovery Benefits, and more information, including a sample tax-saving worksheet, can be found at CourseTech.com/benefits. Let's review some updates to your vision plan. VSP is expanding their services and where you can access their savings while keeping your premium the same. They have increased your frame and contact allowance as noted. And now Walmart and Costco are network affiliate providers and offer a vision benefit when shopping at their locations. If you shop online, be sure to visit Iconic to use your vision benefits there as well. Coupons and more details are available on our benefit website. CourseTech offers a choice in your medical plans. The IRS did not increase the minimum allowable deductible for 2021. As we maintain the lowest allowable deductible by the IRS, there are no changes to your deductibles, and they remain $1,400 for employee only and $2,800 for employee plus tiers. And as we mentioned earlier, the IRS did increase your allowable contributions to your health savings account. No individual will ever pay more than $4,000 out of pocket, and no family will pay more than $8,000 on the Aetna and Kaiser consumer-driven health plans. Deductibles and out-of-pocket maximums are higher on the Bronze plan. These limits and references are for in-network coverage only. For out-of-network information, please review your benefit guide or your summary of benefit coverage. Using the Aetna premiums as an example, even with a slight increase to premiums, CourseTech premiums are below benchmark, and the company continues to pay an average of 89% of the employee-only premium cost. Most other companies only pay an average of 80% of the premium cost. Market research shows that employees pay 34% for family coverage versus the 17% that you pay on the CourseTech plan. Hopefully, by sharing what is happening outside CourseTech, as well as the cost share between you and the company, you have better insight as to how CourseTech is working to keep your benefit premiums aligned while still adding plan enhancements. As we mentioned, there are slight premium increases to the medical plans. Shown are the per paycheck rates. In this chart and the ones following, you can see the premium you're paying today, what the new premiums will be, and your per paycheck increase. These rates can all be found in your benefit guide. As a reminder, the Kaiser plan is only offered in certain locations. If you are not sure if you are in a Kaiser region, please reach out to the benefits team. Shown are the medical premium rates for Kaiser, California. This is reflective of the rates for Kaiser members in Golden, Colorado. And here are the updated rates for our Kaiser, Oregon members. Let's talk about voluntary benefits. CourseTech also offers a wide range of voluntary benefits that can help you depending on your life situation. Voluntary benefits are 100% employee paid via payroll withholdings. Accident insurance is a cash benefit related to an accident or an unexpected event resulting in injury. The cash benefit pairs well with a high deductible health plan and can be used to pay your deductible, co-insurance, or anything else such as childcare, gas, or even new shoes. Think of this as an opportunity to reimburse yourself for those out-of-pocket medical expenses related to an accident. It works like a menu when you submit your claim for reimbursement to the Hartford. Critical illness insurance is a lump sum benefit if you are diagnosed with a specific critical illness during the policy period. Like the accident plan, this is a coverage to consider for helping cover the high costs associated with a critical illness. This year, at no additional premium, we have added an additional coverage for a category called Other Dread Diseases. This coverage can provide a benefit for a long list of diseases, including if a covered member is diagnosed with COVID-19. This benefit is 25% of the elected coverage amount and has a waiting period equal to 5 days of hospitalization. Critical illness and this additional coverage can be complicated, and we highly encourage you to review the additional information at corstech.com/benefits and reach out to the Hartford or your benefit team with questions. New this year, Nationwide is letting you choose your coverage levels with plans that reimburse either 90%, 70%, or 50% of your vet bills, still subject to the $250 deductible and the annual maximum. Please reach out directly to Nationwide for a new or updated quote. Legal insurance isn't just for the serious issues. It's for your everyday needs at any stage in life. With ARAG Legal Insurance, your network attorney fees are 100% paid in full for a wide variety of covered legal matters. The monthly rate for this coverage has increased slightly up from $16 to $18.25 per month, and ARAG has added coverages for additional services such as domestic partnership agreements, contested divorces, secondary residence property matters, and more. We are proud to continue to offer a holistic approach to well-being at Corstech. Well-being has looked a little different this year. Unfortunately, we couldn't bring some of our vendors on site earlier this year, but hopefully you've enjoyed the Walker Tracker Steps Challenge. We are working with Quest to bring back free on-site flu shots and biometric screening. We will adhere to all recommendations regarding disinfecting, social distancing, and masks. Please watch for sign-up information at your location. As in the past, biometric screening, whether on-site, at your physician's office, or at a lab, is required to apply for the up to $300 wellness reimbursement. And now more than ever, we need to engage in self-care and making sure that our mental well-being is as healthy as our physical well-being. Aetna and Kaiser have multiple options to help you and your family. And in addition, Corstech's Marketplace chaplains are here for you. From in-person appointments to classes and support groups to lifestyle programs and mobile apps, there's support out there to fit your needs and situation. On any plan, you can talk with your primary care physician, or there are online resources to support you as well. Aetna members have access to online behavioral health resources via MD Live, Teladoc, or Able To. Kaiser members can visit kp.org/selfcare and kp.org/mental health for a wide range of support, including free apps such as Calm for meditation, mental resilience, and sleep, or My Strength with personalized programs to improve your awareness and change behaviors. We're concerned about your financial well-being as well. Did you know that Fidelity is more than the company that manages your 401k? They also provide free one-on-one retirement planning resources, online self-service tools and resources, and access to identity protection, student and credit card debt counseling and refinancing, and 529 savings resources. So speaking of resources, let's highlight a few additional ones. Corstech offers diabetes management made simple with help from Livongo. Anyone enrolled in the Aetna or Kaiser medical plan who is diagnosed with type 1 or type 2 diabetes is eligible for this 100% free program. This program includes a blood glucose meter and all the supplies you or your family member needs, 100% paid by Course Tech. If you or a family member have a diabetes diagnosis, Livongo will reach out directly to you with this offer. Teladoc is Aetna's virtual medical partner. It isn't just for when you're out of town or during the middle of the night. Use Teladoc when you don't have time to travel to the doctor's office and sit in the waiting room, or if you don't want to take your sick kid out of their pajamas and bundle them into the car. The online service is fast, efficient, and they can call in prescriptions to your closest pharmacy. Kaiser also offers a host of virtual options and support while you're traveling. The available options and costs for each vary by location. Please visit kp.org or coursetech.com/benefits to watch a short Kaiser video for your region and obtain information regarding virtual visits and more. We've reviewed a lot of information in this presentation. Let's recap your next steps. While we can't be at the plant in person, we're still here to answer your questions. You can drop in via phone or Teams at any time during the office hours referenced above. These hours, along with call-in details, can also be found on the postcard that was mailed to your home, as well as on posters around the plants. Drop in, join the conversation, ask your question, stay on the line if you'd like to hear answers to others' questions, or exit the call once you have your answer. We can answer your general questions. However, if you have a condition-specific question, please email us at benefits@coursetech.com, call us directly, or reach out to our partners, Aetna or Kaiser. So much of our lives are virtual these days. Make it easier on yourself by having your program apps downloaded before you need them. To review, Open Enrollment begins October 19th and ends on November 6th. We ask that you please take our short benefits survey so we can maximize the company's investment in you and your benefits. Please review your benefit guide and all our resources on the benefits website. Remember to share this information with your eligible dependents to make your best decisions and include them in our live office hours. And most important of all, make sure you're enrolled in the benefits that will support you and your family. Thank you for your time today. Please contact your benefits team at benefits@coursetech.com with any questions.